Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve question number 15, which I have taken from 13 exercise chapter number 13 and D1 mathematics. First we will read the statement of the question, and the question is, in the figure ABCD is the square of 10 meter and BCD is a semicircle of diameter under root 200 meter. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. ABCD is the square and the side of the square is 10 meter. Okay, let's move to the solution. I have already drawn this picture on my paper, but you can see in the question we are having only one length. A to B is 10 meter, but B to C and C to D and D to A all are 10 centimeter. Actually the reason is this: A, B, C, D is a square, and the property of the square is all lengths are equal in measurement. So these four lines also tell us that all are equal in measurement. So how we can find out the area of the shaded region? Simply, first of all, we will find the area of the semicircle, then we will find the area of a triangle. You can see there is a triangle inside the semicircle, and we will subtract the area of triangle from the semicircle and get the answer of the shaded region. So first of all, I will write the formula to find the area of the semicircle. Diameter. The semicircle is B, C and D. B, C, D is the semicircle, and the diameter of semicircle is under root 200 meter. Under root 200 meter is equal to 14.14 meter, and when we will split into the radius, actually we will use in the formula the radius. The area of semicircle is pi r square, so we will instead of D we will use R, and we will, how we can find out the value of R? R is equal to 14.14 divides by 2, because radius is always half of the diameter, and you will get the answer 7.07 meter. Now area of the semicircle is, the formula is pi r square, putting the values, and you will get the answer 78.48 meter square. 78.48 meter square. The next step is we will find the area of the triangle. So the area of triangle is, formula to find the area of triangle is 1/2 B multiplied by H, where B is the base and H is the height of a triangle. Look at this. I will just rotate my paper and then tell you what is the base and height of the triangle. Look at this. Now I think it becomes too obvious to all of you. This is the diameter. The diameter of a semicircle is also the base of a triangle, and the diameter is under 200 meter, which is, we have already find out the value. The under 200 meter is equal to 14.14. So the diameter is 14.14 and the base of the triangle is also 14.14. Now what about the height? Look at this. The height of a triangle is the radius of a semicircle. The height of a triangle is the radius of semicircle, because this is the radius, and this one is also equal to the height of a triangle. So the height is 7.07 meter. Now I will put the values in the formula and get the answer. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 B multiplied by H. After putting the values, you will get the answer 49.98, which is approximately 15 meters square. So now how we can find out the area of the shaded region? Simply subtract the area of triangle from the semicircle and you will get the shaded region. Look at this. Area of shaded region, area of semicircle minus area of triangle, and the answer is 28.48. Now we will find out the parameter. Actually this is the first part is completed. Our first part has completed. Now we will start the second part. The parameter is the sum up of the boundary line. The boundary line is from B to C is 10 meter. C to D is 10 meter, but we don't know what is the length of BCD. Actually, if we will observe, so we can see BCD actually is the circumference of a semicircle. And how we can find out the length of BCD? With the help of formula pi r. So sum of BCD plus D to C and C to B is the parameter of this shape. Now we will write the formula. Look at this area parameter of figure, length of BC plus length of BC, B to C, length of C to D, and then DCB, length of DCB. Actually, DCB is the circumference of the semicircle, and we can find the DCB with the help of this formula pi r. Just putting the values 10 meter and pi r. The value of pi is 3.14, and the radius, we already know the radius is 7.07, which is half of the diameter, 7.07. And then after multiplication we will get the answer. Actually, we get the answer 22.199, which is approximately equal to 20. Now we will sum up. So you will get the all three terms, you will get the answer 42.19, and which is approximately equal to 42.20 meter, and this is the parameter of the shape. And now let's move to the summary of this question. Actually, basically this is our today question. We have to find the area of the shaded region. First of all, I will cut it into the semicircle. We will solve our question in this part. First, we will find the area of the semicircle. We will find the area of a semicircle. Then we will subtract the area of a triangle. This is the triangle inside it. So we will subtract it. But actually, I am using the scissor and paper. So I will just tell you. Just cut it down. It is a semicircle. The complete shape is the semicircle, and there is a triangle inside it. So we will find the area of complete shape. First we will find the area of a complete shape. The complete shape is the semicircle, and then you will subtract the area of the triangle. Look at this. From the semicircle you will subtract the area of the triangle. You will get the shaded part, area of the shaded part. So this is the summary of our today question, and after that you will get the parameter. You know these lengths are 10 meter. This is again 10 meter, and this is the circumference of the semicircle. And the circumference of the semicircle we can find out by the formula pi r, by using this formula pi r. And then when you will get the answer 22.2, the length of this arc is 22.199, and then add up these two values, 10 meter and 10 meter, you will get the answer 42.20, which is the parameter of this shaded region. I hope this video helped you to find the solution of question number 15. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.